Hey guys, welcome back to Kemari Reaction. How are you guys doing today? Hi. So I'm back again for another reaction video for the group Now United, Meet the Members. And I'm in Canada. Oh, another Commonwealth under the Queen Elizabeth II. Hey Josh. Whoop. I like it too, yes. So let's see what Josh can be telling us.
I feel like
yes,
talent, and that should be your story.
Yes, ocean blue eyes.
I don't know. It's kind of a very chill town. There's not a lot that happens. Hockey is a big thing.
Ooh.
Just like any other Canadian city. I
Pretty much
would always watch Michael Jackson. One day, my mom just put me in dance class, and I was so shy.
Oh, you have your mom eyes.
I sat out the first month I ever went to these classes because I was so scared of getting up and trying anything.
Oh my god, we went from wearing baggy clothes to fitted.
In Canada, every boy is expected to play hockey. It's hockey. But I was a dancer, so it was hard at times. There was some bullying a little bit.
Oh.
Dancing is a female-dominated sport or thing, so they would call me names. They didn't like what I was doing. I changed schools at one point.
Oh, wow.
I had dance friends that were boys as well, and I thought those people would be like my group, like my people that I could be with because they're boys and they're dancers as well. I thought they would be there for me a lot, but that wasn't really the case either. They started leaving me out of it. It was just lonely times.
Oh, wow.
I think they did that mostly out of jealousy, kind of, because I would, at local competitions, I would win a lot of them.
It's a competitive.
Cocky at all, but I won a
Could
lot
be
of
jealousy.
them, and I could see that they
Very
got
competitive.
mad. And sometimes I even would tell my mom, maybe I should just do bad and get like last place so I can like have friends. A lot
Screw
of
them.
hard work has gone into my craft. Blood, sweat, tears for sure. Countless hours in the studio.
Ooh, get dizzy.
So I first heard about Now United in the middle of competition season here. I looked at this email and it said XIX Entertainment, Simon Fuller, Now United. And I thought it was fake. This is too good to be true. Then I thought about
LA.
the concept of Now
And
United.
everyone must
and I
have
thought
passports.
This is perfect for what the world needs right now. Kids showing that you can come together.
You guys are the new way.
I went into the boot camp representing the US. My mom's from the US. It ended up me and Noah. Found out that I was from Canada, actually, and he decided to let Canada be a part of this project.
You were in Now United.
Oh my god. I feel like I'm getting part of this group. Oh my god, it's so sad.
I feel like us as Canadians,
I feel
we
so
take
part of
for
this
granted all
group.
of the amazing acceptance we have for everyone. The world is not all like that. It feels amazing to know that all these kids are here for the same reason of coming together. I feel that helps me a lot because of my stories.
Ooh, you need to eat.
Not being accepted, and I feel like I've found.
Oh, I need to go to the gym. That's better, you
Once you find that passion, like I did in dance, you'll never want to stop. I just encourage people to find that passion.
No, baby. Come through, Josh. Love it. Yes, that was Canadian Josh. Yes, nice to meet you, Josh. How are you doing? We're part of the group Now United. As I say over and over before, different areas around the world, all united. There are one. Yes. Once again, I would say thanks to the person who recommended me to react to these videos. I really do appreciate it. Thank you so much. For everybody else, whatever you want to react to, feel free to leave a link in the comment section down below, and I get to it as soon as possible. As always, who can do you besides you? Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.